Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a LiftMaster Universal L992U remote. This is a quick and simple fix that can restore a remote that's not responding or working intermittently. First, turn the remote around and remove the visor clip from the back. Once that's off, locate the single screw holding the remote together. Using a Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove that screw and set it aside so it doesn't get lost. Next, look for the small groove in the corner of the remote. Take the stainless steel visor clip you just removed and use it as a tool to pry open the backplate. Insert it into the factory-made slot and gently twist. Start slowly and work your way along the edge until you hear light clicking sounds and the backplate separates from the front. Once the remote is open, you'll spot the button battery right away. To remove the battery, slide it out in the direction indicated by the arrow on the holder. If the battery is snug, you can use your tool to help push it out gently. Now, take your replacement battery and slide it into the holder in the same direction the arrow shows, with the positive side facing up. Make sure it's fully seated before moving on. Once the new battery is installed, you can start reassembling the remote. Snap the backplate back into place, reinstall the screw, and slide the metal visor clip back onto the backplate. That's it! Your LiftMaster L992U remote is now ready to be used again.